Pero kaya nga po, dapat nga po talaga i-review ng honestly and objectively yung tinatawag na 26 arbitral ruling. Kasi mayroon dong provision na pwede mong maging leverage and negotiating point with China. Kasi ang pinaka-important sa akin po, sa pag-aaral ko dito sa mga issues na ito, ang pinaka-importante at this time, kasi ganito lang po yun. When you talk about high politics like sovereignty dispute, like pag-aari na ba? Sovereign dispute at saka territorial sovereignty dispute, I'll be very frank. It will take time paano masettle yun. You need to have patience. You need to negotiate peacefully. You need to have strategic patience. Lots of patient and negotiating points. Before mo masettle yan, it will take time. Pero po, at sa immediate ba? Ang pinaka-importante naman po sa ating mga kababayan is yung tinatawag mong livelihood, which is the fishing rights. Fishing rights ng Filipino pagdating dyan sa South China Sea. Nandun naman po sa 2016 arbitral ruling na sinasabi niya, let us say, example, yung Scarborough Shoal is the area itself is a traditional fishing grounds.
Yes.
Fishing ground. Lahat pwede mag-fish. Yung Vietnam, yung Chinese, at saka Filipino. So from there, you can actually negotiate with them. Na, okay, can we do a negotiation na ayusin natin to na yung mga kababayan namin, ang livelihood nila is fishing, especially dyan sa munisipyo ng Kalayaan, na let's have an agreement and let's have a MOU, how we gonna proceed na kami makakapag-fish, ang livelihood ng aming mga kababayan okay, na hindi magkakaroon ng gitgitan at walang mangyayaring, escalation.